Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will go over the solution to the practice questions from the previous section. First, let us start with number 1. Find only the names of musicians who plays the drums. In order to find information about musicians and the instrument they play, we need to work with the musician collection. First, let us look at all of the information inside of the musician collection. We can do this by using the db musicians find parenthesis command. Hit enter and we return with all of the information that exists within this collection. However, by using the basic find command, we are given all of this information, but this query is asking us to only find the names of musicians who play the drums. And the easiest way for us to output or to find a list of only the names of musician who plays the drums is by using a projection query. To use a projection query, we will write the command in the same format, db musicians find. In this case, we are looking to find instruments. Which is the drums. And we are looking to output only the name of musicians who play the drums. This is a projection query. We are looking to project information about musicians from the musician collection who plays the drums. Information about the type of instrument played is stored under instrument. We are looking to project only the musician's name. Hit enter. And we return with the three different musicians who plays the drums. We are also automatically returned in every projection query the ID of that specific individual or item. If we do not want the ID to output, and this is what our question is asking us for, to find only the names of musicians who plays the drums, we can change the query to indicate to only print the names. Hit the up arrow, and we can backspace right before name, and we can add ID 0 separated by a comma. By adding ID and specifying 0 means that we know the ID is automatically printed. However, in this case, we do not want it to display. Hit enter. And this time we are only returned with the names of musicians who plays the drums. And this is specifically what we were looking for. Find only the names of musicians who plays the drums. Let us try number 2. Find the event type that has a starting fee of $400. List only the event name. Similar to number 1, in this case we are looking to list only the event name. So this is also a projection query, and we will also exclude the ID field from our return. Let us try this. To find information about event type or starting fees, we need to work with the book fee collection. db book fee find. Hit enter, and we have a list of the different type of events and their different starting fee. In this case, we are looking to project the name of the event with a starting fee of $400. db book fee find open parenthesis open curly bracket starting fee. starting fee of $400. We do not want the ID to automatically output. And we do not want the starting fee of $400 to output. We only want the event type name. Therefore, we're using db period book fee period find. We're looking to find the starting fee of $400. We do not want to project the ID number. We only want to project the name. By indicating 0 ID and indicating 0 for the starting fee, all of the starting fees, then only the type will print. And for 400, we should expect a return of weddings. Hit enter. And there, we are returned with the type of weddings, which we know has a starting fee of 400. Let us try the next query. Find all the events and their starting fees. List in ascending order. So this is very similar to the previous question. We are still working with the book fee collection, and we are still working with starting fees, except this time we are looking to find all of the events and their starting fees. So let's go ahead and do the usual command, db period book fee period find. Except this time, we are looking to find everything from within the book fee collection. And we are looking to sort. We are looking to sort the starting fee. In ascending order. To sort in ascending order, we need to use the sort command, indicate the value we are looking to sort, and indicate if it's ascending or descending. For ascending, it is 1. For descending, it is -1. Hit enter, and we return with everything inside of the book fee collection, which is the type of events and their starting fee. The starting fee is sorted in ascending order, from the lowest to the highest. Let us try the next one. Find the 3 highest starting fees, list in descending order. So this time we are looking to find the 3 highest fees and list them in descending order from the highest to the lowest. To do this, we can use db.bookfee period find. We are looking to find the 3 highest, so we can use limit. A limit of 3. And then we are looking to sort in descending order from highest to lowest, so we can say sort. Sort the starting fee in descending order. db period book fee period find period limit our return to only 3. Sort those 3, the starting fee, in descending order. Hit enter. And this time we are returned with only 3 different events, starting from the highest to the lowest because they are sorted in descending order. Let us try the last one. Find the first 2 bands with events. Do not output the first event on file. print in a friendly format. So let us try this. To find the bands with information on file, we need to work with the bands collection. db period bands period find, and we are returned with a list of the first few bands on file that is listed in a regular straight line. Then we have a few other bands on file, and we can tell that they have embedded information because of the information is kind of clustered and jumbled. So if we wanted to print this in a friendlier manner, we can add on the .pretty command. And this will print it in a friendlier format. Everything that has embedded information will print in a breakdown that is easier to read. And everything that does not have embedded information will just be printed in a regular line, in a regular sentence form. So let us try to work with this query and get the information exactly what it is asking us for. We need to do db period bands period find. This time we are looking to find events. So we are only looking to find band that has information about events saved. So we can do event, and we can use the exists operator or command. We can say exists true, and exists true. True is a Boolean, either true or either false. So if something is true, we're only checking to see if exists as true. Does this band have information stored in the form of events? Is this true? Yes or no? If it is true, only print those type of bands. So exist true. Limit. Find first two bands with events. So limit to 2. But do not output the first event. So we're looking to return 2 results of bands that has information about stored events. But no matter who is the first band on that list, we do not want to output their information. So we need to use skip. Skip 1. So let's review this again. We are working with the band collection to find event information. We are looking to find information about all of the bands that have events saved on file. Yes, exists true. All that has events saved. However, we are only looking to limit this to 2 bands. Starting from the top, we only want to return 2. However, we would like you to skip the first band on record. So db period bands period find events. Does it exist? Yes or no? Limit the return to only 2. Skip the first. Hit enter. And we return with the 2 bands. However, I forgot to enter the final part of this query. Print in a friendly format. So if you hit the up button, we will get the same command, except this time we need to add pretty. By adding .pretty, then the information will be printed for us in a friendly, readable manner. Hit enter, and there it is. There it is. db period bands find events who exist. Limit to 2, skip 1. Print in a friendly manner, which is the .pretty command. Therefore, instead of reading it in the same format, which is the same information like this, we can read it in a more friendly JSON printable manner. Information, band name, event. There's an event in 2017, Spring Festival, and there's an event in 2017, the Halloween Parade. Band number 2, Kettles, event, the Boardwalk Parade of 2017. Event number 2, the Tribeca Festival of 2018. I hope that you were able to answer all of these queries on your own. And if you were not, I hope that my solution video helped you. This is the purpose of you taking this course, for you trying to learn more skills and advance your knowledge when it comes to databases and programming in different languages. Review each query step by step and try to piece together exactly where you may face problems. In the next section, we will continue working with MongoDB. We will start learning to write queries and how to retrieve data from embedded documents. I will see you then. Thank you.